Hey guys, Dev here from Affinity YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and you can follow me on my Instagram. Alright, to remove text from inside the image like this, first zoom the image. Take selection brush tool. Click on each word as making selection. After selection, go to top, select glow and shrink. Radius 1 or 2 works well. And apply. Then go to edit in paint. Ctrl D to deselect and done.